Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Flying High with R and R. In our last grammar lesson, we taught you gender of German nouns. In today's video, we're gonna teach you third crucial point, articles of German noun genders. For article, in German language also we call article. So both English and German pronunciations are similar, but there is a small change of spellings. I hope you can see that clearly. As we have already taught you in our previous videos, every German noun has a gender, and there are three genders of German nouns. They are männlich, which means masculine, weiblich, which means feminine, sächlich, which means neuter. This every gender has an article. We can divide articles as definite articles and indefinite articles. In German, we call bestimmte Artikel and unbestimmte Artikel. First, we will see corresponding definite articles or bestimmte Artikel for each gender. Definite article of männlich gender is der. Definite article of weiblich gender is die. Definite article of sächlich gender is das. The meaning of all these definite articles is the. Now we will see corresponding indefinite articles or unbestimmte Artikel for each gender. Männlich, ein, weiblich, eine, sächlich, also ein. The meaning of all these indefinite articles is a or an. Article indicate the gender of a noun. So the gender of a German noun can be identified by the article. As an example, we will take der Mann. I hope you can identify the noun or substantive clearly as the first letter of this word has been capitalized. We taught you capitalization rules of German nouns in one of our previous videos, so please watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. And now you know der is the definite article or bestimmte Artikel of männlich gender. And you should write the article in simple letters. But if you are writing the article at the beginning of a sentence, of course you have to capitalize the first letter of the article. And when you are seeing any noun with an article, you should be able to identify the gender of that noun, as article indicate the gender of a noun. So when you are seeing der Mann, you can identify that this noun belongs to männlich gender, because der is the definite article of männlich gender. We will take one more example. Das Flugzeug. As you know, das is the article and Flugzeug is the noun. Here you should know that das is the definite article of the neuter. Because of that, you can identify that the noun Flugzeug belongs to neuter gender. By the way, das Flugzeug means the plane. I hope you got how articles indicate the gender of a noun and how we can identify the gender of a noun just by looking at the article. In German, the article of a noun is a part of that noun's identity. Let me explain you that. One point 93% of all German nouns have two different genders or have more than one gender. For an example, we will take the noun say. This noun have two different articles. One is männlich, so it should be der say. Another gender is weiblich, so here it should be die say. So here noun is same but articles are different. So according to the articles, the meanings differ from one to another. So der say means the lake and die say means the sea. Only because of article, the meaning of a noun can be changed completely. I hope now you can understand how important the article for the noun's identity. So we should use articles with every German noun. If you tell or write a German noun without the article, you will not be using the noun correctly. So you have to remember the article of every German noun. At the beginning you may find it little bit difficult to remember the articles of each and every noun, but we assure you that we would make it easier to find articles of German noun with our tips and tricks. So that's all for today. We will meet you soon with another interesting video. See you again. Auf Wiedersehen.